Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a term that's everywhere these days. But what does it really mean? In this video, we'll break down the basics of AI in simple terms, making it easy to understand for everyone. We'll explore how AI works, where you encounter it in daily life, and why it's such a big deal. Whether you're curious about smart assistants, self-driving cars, or just want to know what's behind the buzz, this journey will clarify the mysteries of AI. Let's start by defining what artificial intelligence actually is and why it matters in our modern world. Artificial intelligence refers to machines or computer systems that can perform tasks usually requiring human intelligence. These tasks include understanding language, recognizing images, making decisions, and even learning from experience. AI isn't just about robots. It's about software and algorithms that help computers think and act more like humans. The goal is to create systems that can solve problems, adapt to new situations, and improve over time. So, when you hear about AI, think of it as technology that tries to mimic human abilities in a smart, efficient way. The concept of artificial intelligence has been around for decades. Early ideas about machines that could think date back to the 1950s, when scientists first started imagining computers that could solve problems and play games. Over the years, AI has evolved from simple, rule-based systems to complex algorithms that can learn and adapt. Today, AI is powered by massive amounts of data and advanced computing power, making it possible for machines to perform tasks that were once thought impossible. Understanding this history helps us appreciate how far AI has come and where it's headed. AI comes in different forms, ranging from simple to complex. There's narrow AI, which is designed to perform specific tasks like recognizing faces or translating languages. Then there's general AI, which aims to think and reason like a human across many areas, though this is still a goal for the future. Most of the AI we use today is narrow AI, focused on doing one thing really well. Understanding these types helps us see the limits and possibilities of current AI technology. Narrow AI is the most common form of artificial intelligence today. It's designed to handle specific tasks such as recommending movies, recognizing speech, or sorting emails. These systems are trained to do one thing and do it well, but they can't think or act outside their programmed abilities. For example, your smartphone's voice assistant can answer questions and set reminders, but it can't drive a car or diagnose diseases. Narrow AI is everywhere, making our lives easier in small but significant ways. General AI is the idea of machines that can understand, learn, and perform any intellectual task that a human can. Unlike narrow AI, general AI would be able to reason, plan, and adapt to new situations across a wide range of activities. This type of AI is still theoretical and not yet achieved, but researchers are working towards it. If realized, general AI could revolutionize industries and change the way we live, but it also raises important questions about ethics and safety. AI is already a part of our everyday routines, from unlocking your phone with facial recognition to getting recommendations on streaming platforms. AI works behind the scenes to make things smoother and more personalized. It powers navigation apps, helps filter spam emails, and even assists in online shopping. These examples show how AI is woven into the fabric of modern life, often making tasks faster and more convenient without us even noticing. One of the most fascinating aspects of AI is its ability to learn. AI systems use data to improve their performance over time. This process, called machine learning, involves feeding computers lots of information and letting them find patterns or make predictions. For example, an AI can learn to recognize cats in photos by analyzing thousands of images. The more data it gets, the better it becomes at its task. This learning ability is what makes AI so powerful and adaptable. Machine learning is a core part of AI. It's a method where computers learn from data without being explicitly programmed. By analyzing large amounts of information, machine learning algorithms can make predictions, classify objects, or even detect anomalies. For instance, email spam filters use machine learning to spot unwanted messages. The more examples they see, the better they get at identifying spam. This approach allows AI to adapt and improve, making it more useful in real-world situations. Deep learning is a special kind of machine learning that uses layered structures called neural networks. These networks are inspired by the human brain and can handle complex tasks like image recognition or language translation. Deep learning has enabled breakthroughs in AI, such as self-driving cars and advanced speech recognition. By processing massive amounts of data through many layers, deep learning systems can learn to understand intricate patterns and make accurate predictions. Neural networks are the backbone of deep learning. They consist of layers of interconnected nodes, each processing information and passing it along. These networks can learn to recognize patterns, such as faces in photos or spoken words. By adjusting the connections between nodes, neural networks improve their accuracy over time. This structure allows AI to tackle tasks that were once too complex for traditional computers, making it possible for machines to understand images, sounds, and even emotions. Training an AI model involves feeding it lots of data and letting it learn from examples. For instance, to teach an AI to recognize dogs, you show it thousands of dog photos. The AI analyzes these images, finds patterns, and gradually gets better at identifying dogs. This process is repeated until the AI can make accurate predictions. Training is a crucial step in building effective AI systems, ensuring they perform well in real-world situations. Once an AI model is trained, it needs to be tested and validated. This means checking how well it performs on new, unseen data. If the AI can accurately make predictions or recognize objects it hasn't seen before, it's considered reliable. Testing helps identify any weaknesses or errors, allowing developers to improve the model. Validation ensures that AI systems are trustworthy and ready for real-world use. AI relies on algorithms, which are sets of rules or instructions that tell computers how to solve problems. These algorithms can be simple, like sorting numbers, or complex, like recognizing speech. The choice of algorithm depends on the task and the data available. By combining powerful algorithms with lots of data, AI systems can achieve impressive results, from translating languages to predicting weather. Data is the fuel that powers AI. Without data, AI systems can't learn or make decisions. The more data an AI has, the better it can find patterns and improve its performance. This is why companies collect huge amounts of information, from photos to text messages, to train their AI models. Data quality is also important. Accurate and diverse data leads to smarter AI. AI is transforming healthcare by helping doctors diagnose diseases, predict patient outcomes, and personalize treatments. AI systems can analyze medical images, spot early signs of illness, and recommend the best therapies. This technology is making healthcare more efficient and accurate, saving lives and improving patient care. As AI continues to advance, its impact on medicine will only grow. AI is revolutionizing transportation with self-driving cars, smart traffic systems, and predictive maintenance. These technologies use sensors, cameras, and algorithms to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and optimize routes. AI helps reduce accidents, improve traffic flow, and make travel safer and more convenient. The future of transportation will be shaped by AI, making journeys smoother and more efficient. In finance, AI is used to detect fraud, automate trading, and manage risks. AI systems analyze market data, spot suspicious transactions, and make investment decisions faster than humans. This technology helps banks and investors stay ahead, making financial services more secure and efficient. As AI evolves, it will continue to reshape the world of finance. AI is changing entertainment by recommending movies, creating music, and even generating art. Streaming platforms use AI to suggest shows you might like, while artists use AI tools to compose songs or design visuals. This technology makes entertainment more personalized and creative, opening new possibilities for fun and expression. AI is making education more accessible and personalized. It helps teachers identify student needs, recommend learning materials, and automate grading. AI-powered tutoring systems can adapt to each student's pace, making learning more effective. This technology is helping schools and universities provide better education for everyone. AI is improving customer service with chatbots and virtual assistants. These systems can answer questions, solve problems, and provide support 24/7. AI helps companies respond faster and more efficiently, making customers happier. As AI gets smarter, it will handle more complex issues and deliver even better service. AI is making shopping smarter and more convenient. Online stores use AI to recommend products, predict trends, and personalize offers. AI-powered systems help manage inventory, optimize prices, and improve customer experience. This technology is changing the way we shop, making it easier to find what we need and enjoy better deals. AI is enhancing security by monitoring systems, detecting threats, and protecting data. AI-powered cameras can spot unusual activity, while cybersecurity tools use AI to identify and block attacks. This technology helps keep people and information safe, making security smarter and more proactive. AI is improving communication by translating languages, transcribing speech, and filtering messages. AI-powered tools help people connect across cultures, making conversations easier and more accurate. This technology is breaking down barriers and helping us share ideas more effectively. AI is inspiring creativity by helping artists, writers, and designers. AI tools can generate new ideas, suggest improvements, and even create original works. This technology is opening up new possibilities for creative expression, making it easier to explore and innovate. AI is making homes smarter with devices that learn your habits and automate tasks. Smart thermostats, lights, and security systems use AI to adjust settings, save energy, and keep you safe. This technology makes living more comfortable and efficient, adapting to your needs automatically. AI is transforming industries by optimizing production, predicting maintenance, and improving quality. Factories use AI to monitor machines, detect problems, and streamline operations. This technology helps businesses save money, reduce waste, and deliver better products. AI is helping farmers grow more food with less effort. AI-powered systems monitor crops, predict weather, and optimize irrigation. This technology makes farming more efficient and sustainable, ensuring better harvests and healthier plants. AI is protecting the environment by monitoring pollution, predicting climate changes, and managing resources. AI systems analyze data from sensors and satellites, helping scientists understand and solve environmental problems. This technology is making our planet healthier and more sustainable. AI is changing sports by analyzing performance, predicting outcomes, and enhancing training. Coaches use AI to study player movements, optimize strategies, and prevent injuries. This technology is making sports more competitive and exciting, helping athletes reach their full potential. AI is assisting lawyers by analyzing legal documents, predicting case outcomes, and automating research. AI-powered tools help speed up legal processes, making law more efficient and accessible. This technology is helping professionals make better decisions and serve clients more effectively. AI is accelerating scientific discoveries by analyzing data, simulating experiments, and finding patterns. Researchers use AI to explore new medicines, understand the universe, and solve complex problems. This technology is pushing the boundaries of knowledge and innovation. AI is powering social media by recommending content, filtering posts, and detecting fake news. Platforms use AI to personalize feeds, connect people, and keep communities safe. This technology is shaping how we interact and share information online. AI is revolutionizing marketing by analyzing customer behavior, predicting trends, and personalizing ads. Companies use AI to target the right audience, optimize campaigns, and boost sales. This technology is making marketing smarter and more effective. AI is optimizing logistics by managing shipments, predicting delivery times, and tracking packages. Companies use AI to streamline supply chains, reduce costs, and improve customer satisfaction. This technology is making logistics faster and more reliable. AI is changing real estate by predicting property values, matching buyers with homes, and automating paperwork. Agents use AI to analyze market trends and provide better advice. This technology is making real estate transactions smoother and more efficient. AI is personalizing experiences by learning your preferences and adapting services. From music playlists to news feeds, AI tailors content to your tastes. This technology makes life more enjoyable and relevant, helping you discover new things you'll love. AI is automating tasks, freeing up time for more important work. From scheduling meetings to sorting files, AI handles repetitive jobs quickly and accurately. This technology boosts productivity and lets people focus on creative and meaningful activities. AI is helping manage risks by predicting problems and suggesting solutions. Companies use AI to spot potential issues, prevent accidents, and make safer decisions. This technology is making risk management smarter and more proactive. AI is improving forecasting by analyzing trends and predicting outcomes. Businesses use AI to plan for the future, manage resources, and stay ahead of competitors. This technology is making forecasting more accurate and reliable. AI is speeding up research by analyzing data, finding patterns, and generating insights. Scientists use AI to explore new ideas, test theories, and solve complex problems. This technology is making research faster and more effective. AI is helping solve problems by finding solutions and making decisions. From planning routes to optimizing schedules, AI tackles challenges quickly and efficiently. This technology is making problem-solving smarter and more effective. As AI becomes more powerful, ethical questions arise. How should AI be used? Who is responsible for its decisions? It's important to ensure AI is fair, transparent, and respects privacy. Researchers and policymakers are working to create guidelines that protect people and promote responsible use of AI. AI faces challenges like bias, data privacy, and job displacement. Bias can lead to unfair outcomes, while privacy concerns arise from data collection. AI may also change the job market, creating new roles but replacing others. Addressing these challenges is crucial for building trustworthy and beneficial AI systems. The future of AI is full of possibilities. As technology advances, AI will become smarter, more adaptable, and more integrated into our lives. It'll help solve big problems, create new opportunities, and transform industries. By understanding how AI works and its impact, we can prepare for a world where machines and humans work together for a better future.